we're gonna doing some slime. So let's do it. We have contact lens solution. Let's get started. We have clear glue, bowl, baking soda, spoon. So first we're gonna put some our glue, clear glue. So we're gonna put some little bit of baking soda. Wait. Okay. We're gonna put some water. Quiet. So we mix it up until he makes we're gonna put some contact lens solution. Mix it up. So after that, it's a cute slime. As you can see, this is not clear. So when you want to, this is clear. You're gonna do make it for 7 days or 15 weeks. So finish.